For the phase 2 stream 1, that is only board marks to get in CSC. So 99.2 to 99.6 percentile is required. That is marks. Suppose for 1000 marks, 992 marks to 996 marks are required. So all the CSC specializations in between 990 and above, 990 and above are required. So for IT and ICT, approximately greater than 987 marks are required. For ECE, 987 above or 988 above are required. So EEE or VLSI, 985 above, mechanical 980 and above, civil and aerospace 975, 985 in between those, bio groups 965 and above. So if there is no possibility to get a seat in phase 1 till the last round, you can come into the spot counseling. So if there are any vacant seats in the spot counseling, you may get the seat in the spot counseling. So the approximate percentage and percentiles are given for the phase 2 stream 2, that is 50% of JE marks and 50% of the board marks. For CSC, 90 percentile plus 99 percentage in board marks. CSC specializations 88 percentile above and 987 in board marks. Approximate, these are expected values. For IT, ICT the same. ECE also greater than 87 percentile and 987 marks in the boards. Triple E 85 percentile above, 985 marks in the boards. Mechanical, civil and biotechnology. So these are all the expected values